Hello guys, welcome to Java Python Interview Hub, your one-stop guide for cracking testing interviews. So today's question is, what is a use case in testing? Short answer is, a use case describes how a user interacts with a system to achieve a goal. It includes preconditions, steps and outcomes. So your explanation would be what? Use cases help derive test cases from real user behavior. Focus on end-to-end business flows. For example, booking a ticket on a travel website. It ensures all functionalities are validated from the user's perspective. So thank you very much. Like, share, subscribe. Target your interview with us, Java Python Interview Hub. Thank you very much guys. We'll meet in the next question.